Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the insiders in the Insider program have received an update to Microsoft Photos, which recently received background remove and replace, along with a couple of other improvements, which we'll just have a quick look at today if you would be interested. Now, these features are not available as yet in the stable version and are currently being tested in the Insider program. And Microsoft says that in their last update, they launched a new background blur feature, which has been made its way into the stable version. I posted on that, and I'll leave that link down below if you would be interested. Now they are introducing the ability to easily remove the background in your photo or replace it with a different color, as we can see. And they say you can do this with a single click, and you can remove the background and save the resultant image or copy it to the clipboard. And I actually think this will be a nice move in the right direction. I'm using the remove background in Paint, which rolled out as part of the Moment 4 feature update. And I'm actually finding that quite useful. And the same thing now is rolling out to the Photos app in the Insider program. Then, as we can see, another option is to replace the selected background with a solid color. And here to the right-hand side, you can use the color picker to select the right hue, either by clicking on the palette, entering a hex color code, or setting the RGB values. And then moving on to the next regarding film strip, there's a bit of a change with film strip where Microsoft says that based on user feedback, they have redesigned the film strip experience. And these are the three areas where it's been redesigned. By default, film strip is turned off when opening a photo. I think that's a nice move. To turn on film strip, you just press the F key or click the icon on the icon in the bottom left corner. And then to enable the best viewing experience and improve usability, they've moved film strip below the photo, enlarged the thumbnails as we can see, and added a larger scroll bar at the bottom so it's easier to navigate and select the photo you're looking for. So those are three changes now that Microsoft has made regarding film strip, regarding making it a lot more user-friendly according to user feedback. Then they also mentioned regarding the timeline that they've added the timeline scroll bar to all folders and made it dynamic based on time range of your photo collection, so you can locate the photo you're looking for with ease. And the last key update that's rolled out to insiders over the last day or so, they've also added the ability to share a photo that is backed up on OneDrive. So here you can see share using OneDrive. So basically what you do is you right click an image and select share using OneDrive. That Microsoft also says you'll be able to send the link via email or copy it to clipboard. And over and above that, there's a couple of other fixes and improvements. And to get these features, as mentioned, it's rolling out to the insiders across all channels. So that would be release preview, beta, dev, and canary. And the version you need to be on in the Insider program to receive these new features is 2023.11.8002.0 or higher. So a lot of nice changes are on their way now to Photos app. And because these are available across all channels in the Insider program, this update should be rolling out shortly to the stable version. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.